But the situation was not the same 10 years ago. It all started after two industrial disasters. Did you know that 50% of world's top 100 LEED certified green factories are from Bangladesh, including number 1? এই সার্টিফিকেটটা মেইনলি একটা ফ্যাক্টরির কাটিং এজ সাস্টেইনেবল ডিজাইন, কনস্ট্রাকশন এবং ইকো-ফ্রেন্ডলি ফিচার্সের উপরে ভিত্তি করে দেয়া হয়। And the long-term goal is to reduct contribution to climate change, protect and restore water resources, enhance individual human health, and promote sustainability. Right now, we have more than 187 LEED certified green factories in Bangladesh. In this process, we are doing so many good deeds. Apparel factories are much safer for the workers now. We are reducing our carbon footprint, which is a clear step towards our SDG goal. Globally, our country's image is getting greener. We all experience different type of incidents, but taking learning from that, convert that weakness into strength can be a game changer for you, me, and for the world. Let's do it together.